Hi everyone, welcome back to Kavitha's Sugar and Spice. Today we are going to make Kerala potato stew. I'm posting this recipe today as per the request of few of my non-Malayali friends. Even though we have a wide variety and different versions of stew in Kerala, the one I'm making today is a very basic and authentic potato stew. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients we need to make our Kerala potato stew. For that I have 4 potatoes, medium sized potatoes cut into cubes like this. Then I have 2 onions, red onions, thinly sliced. That's around 1.5 cups. This is around 3 cups. And then I have 1 cup of coconut milk, or that's around half a can, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, few curry leaves, then 1 tablespoon ginger chopped, 2 green chilies slit lengthwise, salt and pepper to your taste. So let's see what we have to do. Into a saucepan we are going to add all our potatoes, onions, ginger and green chili. Right now we are going to add half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Then let's add some water. Mix it. You need just enough water to cover these vegetables. You don't because later we'll be adding coconut milk, so you don't want too much of water. Now we can close this and cook it in a high heat. Once it starts boiling, reduce the flame from high to medium and cook for another 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's check our stew. Check if the potatoes are cooked. Yeah, they are. So we can turn the stove off. At this point, add the required salt to taste, and also if you need more pepper, you can add it at this point. I'm adding another 1/4 teaspoon. Then we are going to add our 1 tablespoon coconut oil and our curry leaves. Mix it well. Check the salt and everything. And finally, let's add our coconut milk. So that's 1 cup of thick coconut milk. That looks perfect. So this is we have enough gravy now. This is the reason we did not add too much water in the beginning. And our stew is ready to serve. Try this recipe and let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Bye bye.